Today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Translate in OneNote to be able to translate a reading, for example, for a student. As you can see right now, I have a copy of the English version of the reading that I want to translate, and I want to translate it to Spanish for my Spanish-speaking students. Um, One way I can do this is I can drag this whole thing into Google Translate and have it do its thing, um, but it takes a while. So another way you can do this is you can select all, entire text, then you're going to right click and go to Translate. Now, if you don't see Translate, you need to download the Microsoft Translate app, which is actually a great app for multiple uses, and I'll go into those later in later videos. But when you click Translate, it will open up a window. Now, the system that I'm using is OneNote, which is a great tool as well to use for teaching students. When you click on Got It, it's going to ask you if you want to translate the whole document. Since the whole document is pretty extensive, I'm going to say, yes, I want to translate the whole document instead of just a section. And I'm going to ask it to translate it to Spanish since most of my students actually speak Spanish or read in Spanish as well. And I'm going to click Spanish. Once I click Spanish, I'm going to click Translate, and I'm going to wait for it to do its magic. What's going to happen is that it's going to create a second page underneath, and that page is going to have the pictures and the translations that I wanted in Spanish. So once again, this is Microsoft Translate being used through OneNote to be able to translate a document into Spanish for my Spanish-speaking students. If you have any questions, please let me know.